Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for tuning in once again to the channel. As always, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit that like button too. Now, let's cut to the chase. I've got another lookbook, how to style video, this time with a very rare, special, expensive, limited sneaker, the Nike Air Fear of God 1. This sneaker is Jerry Lorenzo's first collaboration with Nike, and it was definitely a bold sneaker design. Now, it was designed to play basketball in, but you know, you can definitely dress these sneakers up because they have a very like elegant slash athletic type of look. They have this off-white color sole with the icy blue Nike Air unit here, and then you've got this rubber plastic type cage, I guess, to hold your foot in place when you're out on the court hooping. Then you got the zipper here, suede here, 3M front on the toe area, Fear of God, Air Fear of God right here. And I hear these numbers were Jerry Lorenzo's grandfather's military dog tag ID, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, I am freaking freezing, but I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Leave a like, also subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.